Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try the dollar store cleaning challenge, and I know that the majority of people that did this challenge went to Dollar Tree. I just want to put a disclaimer out there. I went to Dollar General because it was closer to me and I didn't feel like driving across town just to go to Dollar Tree. So I did go to Dollar General. I noticed some of the stuff that I bought was brand name, and there's some that I haven't even tried before, even, you know, that I've seen in Walmart. So I'm excited to try these. We're gonna find out if these dollar store cleaning products, the most ended up costing me, I think, $3.50. So I did not spend a lot, and that was the goal. So if you're interested in seeing how this worked for me and if it actually got my stuff clean and how it compared and held up to the other names out there, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I grabbed was this Glade scented carpet smeller thingy, and it was so good. I will be using this again. It smells heavenly. And then I got a Dawn scrubber along with $1 window cleaner. Let's see how this holds up to Windex. I'm not brand loyal with that, so we will see. And then I also grabbed this wood cleaner. We needed a really good wood cleaner because we just got a brand new table and we want it to last, so we'll see how that works. And then I grabbed some Clorox Scentiva wipes. This says you can use it on granite, on glass, whatever, so I picked that up. I needed something to go along with my dish detergent that I'm already using, so I picked that up to see if it helps get the job done. We were also out of dish detergent, so I picked up this Palm Olive, and we will see how that works. So this one I did not like. It left a very heavy film over the actual wood, and I didn't like that. I feel like it's gonna ruin it. And it might not be, but that's just my take on it, so I won't be using it again. It also had a really strong scent that I did not like. It actually kind of gave me a headache, so this will not be used again by me. I'll probably give it away, put it on Facebook Marketplace, just say free for whoever wants it, whatever. But if you guys know of any good wood cleaners out there, or you have one that you just absolutely love and would recommend, let me know down in the comments below, because I'm still on the search for one. This one was definitely a winner. I will be using this again. It just made the room smell so good. I think the scent was Hawaiian Breeze, and yeah, it got the carpet really clean, as you can see here, and it just smells so good. So I will definitely be using this one again. Okay, these were also two of the winners as well. They really made my dishes sparkle. I think adding that rinse aid really helps, so if you just add that to any other detergent that you use, I think it will really get the job done. So I will be adding this to my cleaning routine as well. I don't know that I'll be using these wipes like I did here again. I just didn't see anything special about it. I think I'll go back to my Mrs. Meyer's spray, my all-purpose spray that I use, but these got the job done. There was some stuff stuck on there, so it was able to get some of it off, not all of it, but it did help shine the outside of the oven, the stainless steel. It did say that it was good for stainless steel, so I will probably use it to shine that up. And again, I just prefer to use my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner. Now I do like the fact that these wipes are disinfecting. I just don't know that I need to be using it every day. So I'll probably add this to the rotation maybe once or twice a week, and then stick with my all-purpose spray. I did think that this window cleaner worked. I don't think that it's that much different than Windex, and like I said, I'm not brand loyal when it comes to that stuff, so I will be using this again. I think that it got the job done. It got the fingerprints off and left a good shine. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun doing this video, and as you can see, I'm adding some of these cleaning products into my bucket to use for my next cleaning rotation because, like I said, there were some winners in here. So I hope you guys will subscribe before you leave. You don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. I have some fun stuff planned. So until next time, bye guys.